Welcome to another class. In this class, I will be teaching us how to use numbering and bullet lists. What is numbering? Numbering is when you want to give number to your text. So there are two ways for me in case I want to insert numbering. And this is where to get numbering under Home tab. Then you choose numbering, which is this. And we have bullets and this. So what does numbering look like? If I click on this arrow next to this 1, 2, 3, you will find this. So depending on the type you want to use, this Roman figure, alphabet in small letter, in bracket, without bracket in capital letter, 1, 2, 3 with bracket, without bracket, Roman finger in capital letter, or none. So yeah, if I have a list, for instance, if I put in list of items, so if I press enter and I would like to give a list, let's use this list 1 as an example, list 2, and list 3. So now you can see that I first of all type my text before I now add list to it, bullet or numbering to it. So I can first, there are two methods. One of the methods is I can first type this way, then highlight it, come to numbering list and choose the numbering I would like to use or alphabet. So depending. Now I achieve this. But in case I don't want it this way, Ctrl Z. The other method you can do is after you type the edit, you press enter. You come to your list and choose the type you would like to use, and then you can now start typing the list under it. It will keep giving you your numbering automatically. So if I want to stop the list right there, I can press enter 2 times. Then here I will say list item B. If this one was list item A, then under here, if I press enter and I choose my numbering again, I can choose again list 4, 5, list 6. And should in case I prefer my list to continue instead of 1, 2, 3, I wish to make it 4, 5, 6. I don't want it to start from the beginning. What I can also do is right click on this first one here. When you see right click, then you say continue numbering. When you choose continue numbering, to continue our numbering for us. And if I wish it to start afresh, I can right click and choose restart at 1. And if I wish it to start from a particular number, not 1, a particular number, you can right click to set numbering value. Set numbering value. From set numbering value, I can choose the numbering value. Probably I want it to start from 7. Then I can say it OK. So my numbering will start all the way from 7 down. If I decide to change this title here to bullet and this one as a numbering just the way they are, I can come to the front of this where we have bullet, then I'll choose the bullet type I wish to use. Maybe this. If it's this other one, I can go back there and choose this. So this one I can still also return it back by using this decreased indent or drag my ruler back here. For the second side, I can do similar thing and drag the ruler back. If everything in total you like to change this numbering, you don't want to use numbering yet, you want to use bullets, not that type like this, just highlight your text, come to the numbering type, bullet type, sorry, and choose the type of bullet you wish to use. So it's going to change. The same way I use to apply my numbering, I can first decide to type text and choose the numbering, or I should first of all do my numbering before texting. Example, what I'm trying to say is this. If I have text on that next page, just like here now, I would like to add text in. So what did I do? I can say maybe chapter 1, for instance. Underneath, I can first of all type my opening, salutation, introduction, written message. So once I have all this, I can now highlight it and come to my bullet list and use the bullet list I wish to use. Why this still remain here, which I can name it maybe number one or anything I prefer to use it as, or I can leave it empty. So, or the second way around, I should first of all put in my bullets before I type in what I want inside, which is fulfilling body of the letter and closing. So after all this, I can select and decrease indent as sending my text or bullets back. So this one sent it forward, this one sent it back. So after this, I can come down again and say chapter 2, enter, and also give it another list if I wish to. And we also have something called sub bullet. So this particular one, opening bullet now, that I said here, under here, I can decide to use bullet. When I press enter, the backspace, then you come to another type of bullet you want to use, maybe this. Then for the opening, let's say, which is welcome speech. Now I click for change your spelling. Under it, you can say talk 1, talk 2. So the great thing here, you can press enter backspace. You come to your bullet again and choose the type of bullet you want to use. The create, which is the greeting to all members. Then special greeting to the chairman. Then so backspace can come there again and choose the different type of bullet you want to use again. So this is a sub bullet I just did. Why this is plain bullet? These are sub bullets. This is a title. I can also highlight this title, change case, and change to capital letter. So this is more all I can explain on numbering and bullet. See you in my next class. Thank you.